Hi everyone! After the success of the Eddie from Iron Maiden look I did, I wanted to tackle another band mascot, and everyone was suggesting I do Vic Rattlehead from Megadeth, so let's get started. I've put on my bald cap, and while he doesn't have ears, he does have these metal caps on, like where the ears would be, so I am going to disguise them. So I didn't need them to be uncomfortable inside the bald cap, essentially. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue some extensions onto my face to give myself that like very defined jaw and like cheekbones, and start to paint that before I start doing like the details, and I'm going to do kind of like all the metal pieces last. So I've added my skull-like bone structure, and now I'm just adding white to my face. I'm going to go ahead and black, even though you won't see my ears, I'm going to black them out just in case you can see them at some angles, and yeah. So I've begun doing like the detail work of the actual skull part of the face. Because I have these glasses on, essentially, I don't need to do anything around my eyes, so I get to avoid those for today's look. But I am just slowly kind of working in some of these details that will bring it together at the end. The very last step will be those glasses. So I've done a lot of like the base work for the skull. Now I'm gonna start to block out the teeth before I can add in any detail work, like these pieces I made that go over the mouth. So I've come a long way so far. I have the teeth kind of like blocked out, and I'm really working on those details of the skull before I add in things like these earpieces and the chain and these mouthpieces that I made. But I'm just really gonna hone this in before I finish that up. Thank you so much again for your suggestions. If you have other band mascots you want me to do, I'm having so much fun with it, so be sure to leave a comment on who I should do next. I'll see you next time.